me some money so I can clean it.
Oh my goodness, dude! What happened? You drove through a freaking mud field, or? Nice. We continue first. Oh my goodness.
Almost put it everywhere.
It's not what's in. This is the swole bears or what? Guys, if y'all want to get swole, get yourselves a bag of 6-pound gummy bears and play them while you game. Look how close he is to the TV, it kind of freaks me out. Dang!
Well, there's not much room behind me.
Oh, I just streaks out. How long have you had the Switch? Carlos, you need to clean your things. Everything's dirty, sir. Oh, it's a steelbook? I didn't know you had a steelbook. Check this out, guys. This is actually the Call of Duty Modern Warfare night vision goggles. These are the night vision goggles for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and I'm very scared to even like hold this thing, but I'm being stupid and holding it with one hand right now, and I don't know if Carlos is gonna destroy me for that, but that's what I'm doing. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. So we're kicking it old school again, just like we did on New Year's. Bought the other TV, got the Xbox in the back. That's my Xbox. Joe got the Xbox X. Check it out. This time we got some bushes. Look at it. And we got some nice hospitality coming in the room with the plate and everything. Just all right. Nice. Got the macaroni on deck.
To the right, to the right.
We're in quarantine, right? Let me show y'all what's even more messed up about this quarantine. I mean, we're supposed to stay home anyways, right? That's the point of the quarantine, but why does it have to be so depressing at this time of BS? At least my car's getting a free car wash, right? No? Oh, okay. You're all staring at me like I'm weird. It's depressing outside. Here, play your dang game.
Some juice rush and some ice cream that we get at our school every Friday. But now, we get it at home.
That's yours.
Who got my chips?
Mom.
You. If you haven't checked out my gaming channel, go ahead and check it out. It's really fun. Dude, I have a lot of videos on there, more than this one, but I will catch up. I will catch up. That's the goal. So my place back there. That's why I go lift. And I've been eating again. You know, starting to eat again. Oh, it's so much trouble, guys. If you've never actually lifted before and have no idea how it works, it's horrible. The diet is terrible depending on your body. It's so much you have to keep up with. Whose shoes are these?
Okay, dog, ready? $10.99. One large pizza. 3 toppings. No? Alright, dog. That's your order.
You got 16 wings? The stuffed knots.
Just like bread. But garlic coated. Bread.
They're $5.99. With cheese? Well, actually, oh, they actually have cheese in.
I want, dog. They actually have cheese in them, like. Like that, you see the cheese stretching out with the bread.
Is that what you want? I mean, would you be down with that or no?
I don't know if those actually have the cheese inside. Hey, Jonathan, dog.
Okay, hold on.
Because if it's garlic nuts, it's nothing with bread, nuts.
Just get 8 wings.
8 wings?
8 wings.
8 wings.
That's all we need. We don't need more. We're gonna be good.
Got the Parmesan. To order.
It's like 3 hours later and we can't figure out how much we actually need of pizza.
How much we actually fucking I'm saying.
Zach, let's play a fighting game.